Gabir.
Your host for today's one-time podcast. Today, we're with our group member. Sino ka nga?
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself. Kanya-kanya tayo.
Okay, so hello, good afternoon. I'm Ariana Lara El Dagatan.
I'm Kathleen Luna.
I'm Gabriel Nathan Esbasa.
I'm Yosef.
Hey, laughing good.
I'm Yosef Emadichu.
And I'm Dominic Enriquez.
Napaka-unserious ha. Very good. We will just take turns in answering question and I hope na very personal to. Like, this is only one time. I hope this bring us closer after living this. Let's umamin na tayo kung nasan tayo sa KTV. Okay,
So, kahit sino na sa inyo ang unang sasagot. Ito yung first question. What do you see yourself doing in 5 years? So, mga 10 seconds, pag-isipan nyo muna.
then kami yung pinakahuling sasagot as your host.
Para yun yung tamang answer.
Ano yung nasa taas eh? Okay, ready na
I think it's better to do it counterclockwise, like first house,
No, we will do
Eh,
it
doon nag-end, doon mag-start.
Okay. So-
Our guest don't start.
clockwise.
So,
Do you need me to repeat the question?
no, I don't. So, I see myself in 5 years, I guess marrying the person I love
Oh, that's so personal.
and working for her
So,
and with my family and like that.
It's for fun.
What about you?
Fair. Valid.
Anong question?
What's about you, Ajit?
What do you see yourself doing in 5 years? Jim?
I see myself participating in
Bodybuilding?
yes.
Yeah. I am you, I see me in you.
Okay, next.
I think 5 years from now, nagpe-prepare na ako para mag-take ng surveillance. Yung one thing, siguro yung pinaka-optimal way to do it sa life. And 5 years from now, hindi ko ina-expect na makakamit ko yung success. But, progress is there. So, yes.
So, katulad ni Gab, maybe 5 years from now, I'm already reviewing for Sipale or I'm already abroad. I'm already a CPA. Char, I wish you luck.
So, okay, same thing lang. But I think I'm not really sure if maybe 5 years from now I'm still studying or maybe reviewing na for Sipale. Irregular.
So, gusto mo...
Ikaw na mauna. Hindi tayo ladies first
Okay.
dito.
So, obviously naman, di ba? From the same course tayo lahat. Of course, that's our dream. Pagtapos yung pagiging CPA. Pero from a personal standpoint, like, if I already see myself succeeding that, yung goal ko talaga, gumawa ng bangka, I swear.
Why do you wanna do
That's
it?
Kasi
Yeah.
yung feeling like may magawa ka with your own hands.
What?
I get it. I get that point.
Oh,
Okay.
Yes,
And parang unique yung idea.
Bro, Kalian start.
Hindi, yung si Pali lahat, boring.
Boring! I get the point. Okay.
Diba? Ikaw.
So, nasagot nila na yung, rather than saying na what I can see myself doing and it's like what I want to see myself. So, I want to be that, like, someone who, enjoys life. As of now, kasi, we can't enjoy it with, right now, financial constraints. So, it prevents us from enjoying actually things. So, in 5 years, I want to overcome that already. Ay, gusto ko na talaga maging financially stable na kaya kong gawin kahit anong gusto ko.
So, financial freedom lang ba? Or...
Basta pera. Okay ka na. Nagsagot po tayo.
Good answer. So, moving on. Second question.
What has been the biggest change in your life during this semester? This semester only ha, baka ninyo pati yung last year. This semester lang.
I guess. Can you repeat the question?
What has been the biggest change in your life during this
for me, I have no idea, and yeah, I don't know.
Diba?
You don't have any idea, like any change, like simple things na nangyari. Like, it's impossible. Change is constant. Nandiyan na natin.
Paano bago yung ulam mo? Ganun. Okay.
Baka gusto nyo baguhin yung member natin. So, anything.
I'm just breaking the ice. Like, go. See, go.
I guess my study, like how I study,
Habits.
So, you have.
yes, my study habits, and I guess my sleeping schedule then. Yeah, yun lang.
How did it change? In what way?
Like, first, so, ganito sa, first, like, ano, nung midterm, natutulog pa ako mga early talaga, tapos, pagka finals na, like, mas na, ano, late na ako natulog. Kasi, study, yun lang.
Same, sila ba?
Tanongin ko pa sana, like, ba't ka late na natulog?
No, yung ano, question, what is your study? Ay, gumagawa na kami ng sarili namin flow. So, ano yung study habits mo? You share it with us.
By, ano, watching in YouTube and,
Sir Wayne ba yan?
yeah,
Ah,
Sir Chua. Yeah.
Sir Chua.
Guys, kung abot na dito, tanong din kayo sa niya.
Hey, that's all. Let's move on to
How about you?
What has been the biggest change in your life during this semester?
I think mas sinipag ako.
Sinipag ba
Yes,
sa
in
gym?
general.
Oo, sinipag ba gym?
In general.
Kita niyo yung katawan niya, sinipag siya mag-gym. So, ilang beses ka nang nag-gym ngayon? Ilang oras?
Gym. In general nga.
In
In
general.
general,
So, anong, like, in what way ba naging masipag ka?
Oh,
Like,
explain.
tell us, show us.
show us.
Show us.
Show us.
Joke lang naman.
Ah.
Talaga, di ba biro?
Basta kasi dati tamad talaga ako, like tamad talaga, like bedrotting, ganun. Tapos ngayon, naging mas productive na. So, yun.
di ba yung main message mo about body positivity sa last competition?
Yes.
So don't ka busy.
Okay.
So, for me naman, same lang kay Dominic yung study habits and how I see myself, yun nag-change during the semester. And yeah, during the semester, since wala pa matapos yung finals, yung study habits ko na discover ko, hindi mag-discover, like, na-learn ko kung paano, na-realize ko paano mag-study, lalo na sa mga subject na mahirap. And yung sa part na how I see myself is that hindi ko kasi kaya dati like recently lang to understand other people. Iniisip ko lang anong gusto kong isipin. Kaya yun yung change sa akin ngayon. Just recently. That's it.
Para sa akin is, contrary kay Yusef, I think, nag-change sa
Body
akin
negativity.
this semester is parang I lost my passion in learning. Parang wala talagang motivation mag-aral. Parang na-burn out or parang nawala na yung light ng candle.
Excuse me, top 10 to sa cup.
Kasali mo ako.
Pagdating yung statement niya.
No, it doesn't mean na mataas ka. Ganun talaga yung
Yes.
yung like sa likod, di ba?
Yes.
So, yun lang.
Okay, so, para sa akin, yung major changes is, parang na-culture shock ako in all aspects in my life. Lahat talaga, nag-iba talaga yung lifestyle ko in terms of commuting, malayo na masyado. And yes, nakakapagod din talaga. Yung body clock ko sira, yung mental health ko is degrading na talaga.
Yes.
But
I think
still,
sa mental health nakaka-relate naman tayo.
sabi nga nila, pag accountancy ka, dapat ready ka maging punching bag.
Oh my gosh.
And yes, dadas na dadas ko yun dito ngayon.
My 4 years now.
Yun lang.
Ano ba ito? Iyak na.
Go.
Ako?
Yes.
Ako na.
Wait tayo.
Biggest change, of course, given na sa atin na nagbago yung body clock natin, of course, nagbago din yung like environment natin in terms of friends. Before kasi like, hindi ganito eh, like, we're so used to like seeing each other like sa mga friends natin before. Like even after class, nakakaya pa natin mag-meet with them. Pero right now, like, after class, wala na lang talagang like, ayaw na lang talaga mag-stay sa school because we're so tired. Like even if one is one thing, and in my nagiging open ako sa different ideas ng mga tao, of which hindi ko siya ginagawa before, which is a negative, dati. Pero now, leaning towards the positive na kasi, sana, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy.
So, less judgmental na
Pass. Hindi ko siya narinig, guys. Hindi ko marinig. So, what about you?
Honestly, parang summary na lang yung akin. Same naman lahat tayo. Parang yung na-realize ko yung sinasabi nila sa bot, yung mga warnings nila, parang totoo pala, tama pala. No? May sense pala yun, pang takot lang.
Akala natin tinatakot lang tayo eh, mali.
To be fair kasi, yung like, sa senior high, parang ganon yung vibe ng mga seniors namin. Parang like, tinatakot kami for no reason. So, akala ko, personally, parang ganon din. Pero valid pala, totoo pala. Like,
They
ibang
prove you're
animal.
wrong.
Kaya ibang animal yung college. Okay.
So,
Ano siya?
are you ready to proceed with the next question? Yes.
I'm excited about it.
So, ito, when personal to, you always think about this. Like, what would be the first thing you would do if you ruled the world? O, diba, iniisip natin yan lahat.
No.
Sorry, wait, crap.
Okay lang,
Go.
normal na nagka-crack voice natin,
Yes,
guys.
yes.
So, dito, please be more open, like, kung ano ba talaga yung gusto niyo sabihin. Don't be like, restrained. Kasi mga,
Yun ang gawin.
kaya mo yan, no?
The first thing I do if I were to rule the world, I guess the first is i-unite ko muna lahat ng mga tao.
Wow! BBS!
Make Earth great
And-
again.
Yung ano ba? How do I say this ba? So first, I unite the people. Then gusto ko kasi like hindi naman sa kasi to sa like religion pero like hindi ayaw ko lang.
Ito us,
Go.
like,
No judge.
specific to us, this
Go,
calls,
go, go.
don't
We
judge.
listen, we don't judge.
Yes,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
we listen, we don't judge.
Real.
Like as much as possible like konti lang ata yung like yun yung word, tama word, konti lang yung mga like religion para like para same pa rin ba, like unite pa rin. So yun lang talaga yung naisip ko if I were to rule the world. That's it.
Scary man yun, ay. Scary.
May sagot
Let's
na?
go.
May sagot? Or nag-iisip pa?
Okay.
Kaya?
Question ulit.
What would be the first thing you would do if you ruled the world?
So for me, if I ruled the world, I would probably make food free. Yes. Para to solve world hunger. Yun ang idea.
Would that,
Like, hindi ba you're romanticizing poverty by that?
That's too
what do you
idealistic.
mean by that? Hello?
Yes, pero
Like, no, I meant, like, instead of, like, giving way para, like, matuto sila, parang you're just food
Giving
feeding
them jobs.
Yes. Like, may yun, di ba?
Parang
May,
hand-feed.
yes, may
Pero-
term yun sa Chinese, di ba? But I mean,
Or maging dependent sila.
Oo.
Maging dependent.
Sige lang, opinion lang.
opinion niya yan. Pero opinion
pero
ko
ay,
dito.
yung sa akin na naman like, di ba, ano ba yan? Yung ano talagang pwede talaga mangyari or yung like, pwede fantasy.
Pwede fantasy.
Actually,
Ano,
yun,
kung ano
yun,
yung gusto
yun,
niyo.
yun,
Fantasy.
Yeah.
Pero-
Sa world niya,
realistically,
yung
yes.
food,
Yes.
limited.
Yes, ganun.
I mean,
That's
like,
the idea.
yes. Gets ko yung point.
Yeah, so for me, if I were to rule the world, same lang kay Dominic, number one, unite ko. The reason kung bakit di pa tayo type 1 civilization hanggang ngayon kasi hindi tayo nag-unite. Lahat nag-aaway, lahat may war. And kaya nga din tayo naging type 1, 0.5 lang tayo sa multiversal scale kasi hindi tayo united as a whole.
Ay, yung gumawa ng scale na yun, parang negative talaga siya.
Pero totoo naman kasi pag type 5 na tayo, kaya natin mag-draw ng
Imagine mo, sa hypothetical scale, hindi pa talaga big yun.
na kailangan, kita mo nag-war pa tayo.
Pero
Kailangan
like,
tayo all people.
na-curious ako, like, sa world niya ni Dominic, may mga iba-iba pa pang bansa or
Sure meron, pero
Or
ang
earth
person
lang
is they work together. Hindi mo ibig sabihin na kailangan magkaroon
so
ng
parang
Pangea ulit.
instead of United Nations, United Earth.
Kasi connected pa kasi ng content sa Pangea. Kaya yun ang ano.
Valid.
Okay, pero I get the point actually last time. Ako, if I were to rule the world, I want to make the world stable when it comes to money. Because alam natin lahat na money is the root of all evil. Kasi we tend to parang gumagawa tayo ng unholy things because of pera. Kasi natin pera. So, yun lang. Grabe na very accountancy ang ano. Ang approach niya. Puro pera!
Yung future niya job secure.
Okay. You see, alam niyo na ang future niya, guys. In 5 years, CPA na siya. CPA na tayo, oh my God.
Okay, so gusto ko lang talaga i-apply talaga sa world yung term na equity. Kasi iba yung equality sa equity. Kasi pag sinabi natin equally, lahat, bibigyan mo yung tao like with the same amount. But in terms of equity, ano man siya, like ano yung kailangan niya, yun ang ibibigay mo.
Not too much. Oh my God, another accountancy.
Or not in terms of lang, money or something
Kami na lang
resources.
may
But I want
Mga
to be equally
essentials.
sa opportunities.
Like, gets good. Kasi di ba, there are times na yung mga mayayaman, they get more. Instead of those na mga...
And wala sila tapos.
Yeah.
Like, we're getting too political.
Oh my God. Like,
Makancel
that's
ka.
not, baka makancel.
One episode na siya.
Guys, yun yung ma-upload.
Go.
Okay, so what about you? Ikaw na.
Akin, when simple lang talaga yung like, gagawin ko if ako yung magluluto. Like, ibabalik ko yung barter system. No, alam niyo yun?
That's the
Okay,
idea.
yes.
Kasi like, kung i-analyze mo, yung mga tao walang pera, mahirap sila mag-start. Even though may kaya sila, may ma-offer sila sa'yo, may pwede silang gawin. Pero hindi nila magawa dahil wala silang capital. So if babalik ka sa barter system, although na-recognize ko yung demerits I guess, which is like ma-impede daw yung progress. Kasi parang walang motivating factor para strive more. Pero parang wala, I guess gusto ko i-implement sa world na yung like concept of Taoism, which is having getting joy from your own contentment. Kasi it's not about what you get, it's about how you appreciate what you currently have. Parang ganun.
Profound.
Ito parang
Very
even
good. That's
Another
deep.
may accountancy na rin tayo. Ito, money. Ito, si equity. Ito, si capital. My God, ako paano mag-ano? Ako liability. Assets, liability. Complete na namin na account. Wait, tama na. Pero, nung binasa ko kasi yung question na to, pumasok sa isip ko is like, so leading siya. So mag-lead ka ng isang world, right? So for me, like, the first thing na pumasok sa utak ko is like to teach people to be empathetic. So, like, everyone, kaya naman natin mag-lead, actually, to be honest. Kaya ninyo naman makipag-usap sa mga tao, like, kaya ninyo makipag-communicate, no? Tapos, like, you can do all sorts of things, pero you can put yourself in the shoes of others. Yun yung nag-prevent sa atin to be a good leader. So, if tinuruan natin yung mga tao na like, okay, this is how they had it and this is how others have it. So like, I think magbe-meet siya halfway and then like, we create a world full of empathetic people. Like, oh my God, I get your point, you get this point, you get this, everyone's point. So like everyone meets halfway.
parang more open-minded.
Yes, open-minded. Kasi right now, if you say something, you get cancelled for it. My God, this cancel culture is actually very rampant right now. So I want to stop that. I want us like to understand on a deeper level. Do you get me?
Yeah, gets ko. Kasi like, the way we currently teach people, parang like, may preset na daan na mindset na dapat meron sila.
Yes.
Like, we are not giving them space to form their own ideas. Parang may standard na
Like,
pinapalo.
enclosed lang sila sa isang this is the only box. Oh my God, think outside the box. Like, malaki ang mundo. Like, marami pa tayong ma-explore, not just this academics thing like that. So, let's proceed na with the next question. What dreams do you have for the world of tomorrow? So, like, ano ba yung gusto ninyong, like, future ng mga tao? Like,
Or expectation.
yeah, expectations ninyo.
Of course, for me, gusto ko talaga na lahat tayo maging or successful in life. Pero inisip ko rin, if lahat tayo successful, like may kaya siya, like bad side, ganun. So yun lang yung nag-ano sa akin. Pero yun talaga yung gusto ko.
What do you mean by bad side?
Like lahat tayo successful, baka meron pa rin like, kasi di ba lahat ng nagagawa natin,
Everything has a downside.
ganun, parang ganun.
Parang competition.
Something ganun. Pwede siya ganun.
Parang yin and yang, there's goodness.
Like if may gagawin tayo na,
Nag-gets ko na ako,
Valid.
parang yin and yang.
yun eh.
Would you like me to repeat the question?
Yeah. Please.
What dreams do you have for the world of tomorrow?
My dreams for the world of tomorrow.
Basta alam ko na yung kay Gabriel. Type 1 civilization.
I think-
United.
Okay, so, proceed muna tayo kay ano.
Sige.
We will give you all the time to think about what you want. Kasi ang dami niyang gustong gawin para sa mundo, guys.
Yeah.
So, ikaw na.
Marami siyang expectation.
Yes.
Hindi
Like-
ako bilang.
Buuhin mo muna yan.
Yeah, so yung sa akin, connected daw from last question, to unite the people in the future. Kasi yung di ba, sarili nating government is so corrupt. So, wala tayong matatakbuhan na malalapitan pag may problema yung nation or yung buong mundo. Kaya, yun, if united tayo and ginagawa nila yung trabaho nila, oops, ba't na napupunta sa government?
Ano, it's okay.
Okay lang.
Oh,
Like, hindi,
safe.
hindi.
My God, guys, this is
So, like,
safe
parang
space.
Hindi ba? Kasi yung government kasi yung like pinaka-cruix ng society
Crux.
ngayon. Crux. Sorry. Yun na.
Parang central government
Yeah, yun yung
na
nucleus.
uphold ng justice.
Yes, exactly. Thank you.
So, ang dream ko lang sa world in the future is I hope mas maging dominant ang love kasi sa violence. When I say love, I do not just pertain to the romantic relationships. I mean love for job, love for people, love for animals, love for nature. Because I think yun yung lacking ngayon sa world, love. Kaya ang daming war na nagaganap and there are a lot of problems in this world. Alam mo, sakto yung niya. Naririnig niya ba sa labas? Where is the love? Love. Oh my God, may inspiration siya, guys.
Valid.
Yusuf muna.
Sige na, go.
What dreams do you have for the world of tomorrow?
I don't really know, but I just hope that everything is better. Like we have a better government, a better future, and that life is very hard na talaga. Like we go through different phases, different obstacles and challenges. I just hope na lahat ng yun, malalampasan ng natin. And we hope na makaabot tayo sa the end of the tunnel.
Oh my God, very inspirational.
Parang valid.
So what about
Eh,
you?
Kaya
Ay,
na.
okay,
Kaya na.
matapos na
Ako
lang.
na lang.
Gusto niya kasi guys, siya ang gato.
Mahaba to, mahaba to.
Hindi,
Ganon.
hindi.
Ganon.
Yung tamang answer for that.
Oo, ito. Correct
No,
answer
wala
si
na
Yusef
nag-expect na
na
sila. Wala
magbibigay.
point sa mga answer mo.
Ang speech to.
No, actually, let's not
Ginagawa.
put, like, walang kwenta ang sinasabi natin. Everyone, may kwenta ang sinasabi natin. So, what about
Ako muna?
Yeah, you go first.
Parang nag-isip talaga ako, wala akong ma-form na idea. Pero na-inspire ako kay Kat. Kasi I think, yung point doon, parang nasasanay na tayo sa convenience natin. Parang ina-expect na natin na like, it's always gonna be like this. Di natin na-appreciate paano umaabot sa atin yung comfort, I guess. Yun yung nakuha ko at least, personally. Kasi like, kung isipin mo, hindi natin na-appreciate yung mga animals. Kasi like, sobrang efficient na talaga yung pagpalaki sa nila, yung pag-process, yung paghatid sa atin, di ba? Parang like,
Automated.
automated na lahat. Parang di natin take into consideration yung like, yung value ng buhay nila ba? Parang ginagawa natin sila as parang they were made for our consumption. Parang ganun yung idea.
Stocks.
Yun. So parang I hope in the future parang we would gain more appreciation and maybe through that we can gain a respect for our comforts. Parang ganun.
Grabe, ang hirap naman tapatan ng sarili. Except paano natin ito gagawin? Parang Miss Universe. Paano tayo sasagot yan tayo na sunod?
Sulitin kasi episode 1 lang tayo.
Dapat ko akong nagsalita, no? Dreams, oh my God. Like, this is the same for the dream that I have is like, we teach people, we teach the youth, especially yung mga bata pa lang. Sa maliit pa lang sila hanggang sa paglaki. Like, tinuturuan na natin sila to be a good leader. Like, I mean, nagsisisi tayo, sinisisi natin yung government natin right now na, oh my God, this is like, ang downside, ang daming downside. Pero, pag inisip natin if we taught them earlier in life, may changes pa pagdating nila na sila naman ang mag-lead. So that's something that I want, like, oh my God, moral leadership ako. Pero, yun yung something na alam kong kulang sa akin. Like, even if i-apply ko siya sa sarili ko, alam kong marami akong kakulangan in terms of leading. So gusto ko yung mga
Parang submissive lahat.
yes, someone na sa natin from mga future generation. I hope that maging sila, responsible sila, like they have this, they can take accountability for everything that they do. Something ganon. Yusat medyo malalim yata ang iniisip natin.
Makinig kayo,
Consider nyo lahat.
Conclusion na tayo.
Sige.
Summarize
You
na
have
po
the
yan.
stage.
So, my dreams
For the
for
world.
the world of tomorrow, right?
Yes, yes.
So, para sa akin, maging environmentally aware ang mga tao soon kasi maging malinis sila sa kapaligiran kasi nga alam naman natin lahat ngayon na hindi masyado
Parang
Like, withdraw here, withdraw
Like,
there.
pabayaan na lang tayo.
yes, like napapabayaan na natin ang ating kapaligiran.
Parang
Like
sa
simple,
sobrang
bakuran na
expose
lang nila.
natin sa announcement ng like global warming, parang norm na sa atin. Wala natin pa rin.
Like simpleng bakuran na lang nila, hindi magawang linisan.
I get it.
Kaya ipagbawal natin mga vape, no?
Yes.
Yes, may sasabihin ka yata, no?
Oo.
I agree.
Hindi, dun muna sa i-take natin na yung sa understanding the self, yung naturalistic na ano yung nakuha
Siguro
ko?
naturalistic intelligence.
Perfect.
Since mababa yung score ko dun. Alam niyo naman anong meaning
So
doon.
parang para based on your perspective.
Yes.
Okay.
Based sa nakuha niyang score, yung sinabi.
Parang hindi lang dreams para sa world,
Oo.
para din sa
Para sa sarili
Yes.
niya, ina-apply niya na yung
Yes.
kung ano yung walang intelligence. So, okay na tayo. Like, nag-gets ko ang point niya. Very, wow. So,
Super
na,
positive.
yeah. Nasa last question na tayo. Akala mo matatapos na tayo. What would you tell yourself before this year ends? Nasa anong year? December 10 na tayo. December 10 as of recording. So, ilang days na lang before mag-end ilang weeks na lang before officially mag-end ang year. Yes. 2025 na. Oh my God. So, like, is there something that you want to tell yourself? Any appreciation para sa sarili?
Parang personal message.
Yes.
So first is i-congratulate ko muna myself ko kahit small victories lang yung nakuha ko this year.
There are no such thing as small and big victories, guys. Victory is a victory.
Yes.
And gusto ko sabihin sa self ko na I'm proud of him. Yeah, you. I'm proud of myself sa ginawa ko kahit I didn't think na na stay strong siya for the next upcoming, what do you call this?
Year.
No, like struggle, ganun, and another, battles, and yun lang.
Or at least diba, like you're improving.
Yeah, ganun. Much.
So what do I tell myself before the year ends?
Yes.
So,
Ang hilig mong
parang-
i-repeat ang question.
First of all, gusto ko lang like i-appreciate ang sarili ko kasi nga he is staying himself, like I'm myself, parang
Unique.
yes, parang ganun.
Masaya kaya
Like
na doon.
kahit anong ban, kahit I stick to my principles, I stick to my mga paninindigan ko sa
Parang
buhay,
consistent.
and yes, I'm very consistent. So I think that's what I'm.
Yung message.
Yes.
Ano yung question again?
What is your message
Mr.
before
Prime
this
Minister.
year ends?
This year ends
Yes.
to myself?
Yes,
Yes.
Mr.
To yourself.
Worldwide.
Future or the past?
But ulitin natin ang question para hindi na sila What would you tell yourself before this year ends? It doesn't matter kung gusto mo pang futuristic ang sabihin mo or
Yun na nga, same lang kay Dominic. I'm saying na proud ako sa sarili ko, pero realistically speaking, ang dami ko pang kailangan na i-improve sa sarili ko. Yun na, the next struggle, I want to be more resilient sa paano ko i-approach yung problema, and yun, require myself with discipline, spirit, the physical attributes, pati yung mental attributes, so IQ, EQ, EQ, SQ.
I don't know. Hindi lang kaya. Ikaw, no?
Yun lang man,
Yun lang.
to understand people, pati yung mga tao mahal ko, and to support them.
For me, ang gusto lang sabihin sa sarili ko is, I'm proud of you and I'm sorry. I'm proud of you because this year is, hindi talaga siya madali sa akin. I lost people na hindi ko talaga na-predict, and di ba pag and I'm also mourning for my academic achiever self, and despite that I'm still showing up, and I think that's brave, and I want to congratulate myself for that, and I also want to say I'm sorry because for not becoming the person I aim to be, and I'm also sorry because hindi ko tinitreat ang sarili ko based sa gusto mo. And I also believe that I owe the biggest apology to myself. So that is so personal.
That's it.
Okay, may na-lift na sa ano po. Podcast is a blessing in disguise. We love you. What about... Oh, wait lang. Medyo naiiyak tayo.
Yes, so very emotional talaga. But yeah, I just want to say that I really appreciate myself for still, for being here despite of all that I've been through. So it's been very hard, and I wasn't really sure if I was going to push through this course, but still I did. Yes, I just want to appreciate myself for everything that Okay, so gusto ko lang sana sabihin sa sarili ko na sana kaya niya nang i-let go lahat ng emotional baggage for this year, and I should stop self-sabotaging for no reason at all. I don't know why I do it. I don't like competing with other people, but I'm gusto talagang parang ayaw ko makalamang, pero sinisira ko sarili ko para hindi ako makalamang. I really hate that. Ayaw ko tignan ng sarili. Ayaw ko din parang I shouldn't think about what other expects. I shouldn't live on their expectations anymore. Kung ano man mangyari next year, I'm still proud of myself, and whatever decisions I will make, I will stand for it. And
we are taking a step towards improving yourself, di ba? Like, we can all appreciate that.
Yes.
Pinagpapawisan ka yata.
Nagluluha yung kamay ko.
Bro, sweating!
Okay. Ow. So like, for me, yung message for myself before the year ends, like, based sa mga sinabi ko earlier, which is more on contentment and appreciating what you currently have, yung message ko, contrary to that, like, ironically, kasi like, I recognize na my contentment itself can be a fault. Kasi di ba, too much of everything can be a bad thing. So parang yun yung nakikita ko sa self ko, like, I should also strive towards more paminsan din. Parang like, I should have this drive for like parang success. Kasi
Like, hindi ka dapat makontento sa ganito ka lang. Like, you have like more pa out there.
so like parang I need to find that balance. Parang yun lang.
So, I think eto pa na din tong message for you. First of all, sinabi ko na to sa understanding sa arts appreciation, yung film. I said na, let's stop romanticizing resiliency kasi after all, we have feelings. So like, even if may problems tayo, let's stop saying na I'm resilient, kaya ko tong lagpasan. And like, you don't think too much of your emotions kasi if you're facing something. Pero sa message ko, I want myself and I want you two guys to feel like you validate pa, you internalize everything. Like, isipin niyo, how am I gonna approach this? Tama naman, like, how am I gonna approach this? Pero isipin niyo din, do I deserve this? Like, ganon. Another thing is, like, time won't stop running for you. So, like, hindi tayo, like, though I told you na to like, i-take ang time para mag-internalize, that too, kailangan ninyo din mag-isip ng something to move forward. Like, something na, hindi dapat ako maiwan lang dito kasi nga, I have to feel this emotion. Dapat I have to feel this emotion, pero I am targeting something. Ganun ba? Like, ayoko siya like, mag-stuck ako dito just because I'm like, kasi nga gusto ko internalize ako, bakit ba? Tapos, lastly, this is especially for myself, let go of the rage you're feeling. Kasi those rage could actually, grabe ka dum ha? Kaya tayo may rage.
Nilabas
niya, thank you.
Lema pala yun.
Pero like, something like, your rage kasi can got into this distraction. You don't want that. You want to move forward, so you have to let go. This is really something that I need kasi as of now, I'm still holding on to my grudge, like my life depends on it. And ikaw yata yung may grudge talaga. And I really want to move past that and everything. Like, if nakamove past na ako doon, we'll see a more brighter girl, a woman, I guess. We'll see. So,
Sakto. After ng recording na to, ikanta mo yung lahat.
Oy,
Let it out, let it out, let it out.
kakanta tayo kahit 10 minutes na lang ang meron. Pero actually that ends the question. Every question, nasagot ninyo naman lahat. And I actually felt like this was more of a personal like usapan rather than a requirement, with your requirement. Di ba? Like, ay, nagtatanong ko siya. Gusto niyo pala maging natural environmentalist. My God! Well, ganun din yung sagot ko sa EOG, di ba? About environment din, di ba? So,
At
like,
least consistent.
my God! The consistency!
Yes.
Baka, eto talaga yung totoong panalo.
Discipline to.
Like, yeah. So, like, we were able to share naman every bits ng mga gusto natin sabihin. Actually, we also learned a lot from like, this is an open conversation kasi nangyayari. So, like, thankful, at the same time, thankful tayo sa video requirement na to, actually, video requirement sa school, na, like, we were able to let out what we
actually, you know, like parang it kinda brought us together. Kasi parang you got to know your peers more, you understand them. Parang like we, deep inside, we are the same people.
Yes.
We have the same strive towards positivity and the hope we have for humanity.
Okay, so that would actually come